Good morning everyone. So in this tutorial, I'll be showing us how to identify the product that has been sold by each salesperson, making use of this simple approach, right? So once you select the salesperson for a particular organization, it shows the product they sold for a particular period. So I'll be showing us a simple way on how to achieve that. So now let's jump to it. So first of all, we need to identify each salesperson. That is, remove the duplicate, because as you can see from column A, the salesperson are appearing more than once, right? So to remove duplicate in Excel, I'm familiar with two major approach by making use of the Alt+M shortcut to remove duplicate, or you use the unique function. So in this tutorial, I'll be making use of the unique function. Reason because this data is a has a continuous update. It will be updated regularly. So I want an automatic update of my Excel worksheet. So I will make use of the unique function. So to start with that, alright, unique, right? Then I'll select the column. So like I said, I want an automatic update. So I'll select the whole column, then I'll close the bracket. Right? Once I do that, as you can see, I can see the whole the unique salesperson for for each product, right? So let me show you how the automatic update works. Just because I selected the whole column, so if I include any name here, right, Excel will automatically update my unique column for me, repeating tile. So now the thing is, I don't like the way this unique column is arranged. I want it arranged in alphabetical order. So also I'll be making use of the sort function. So I'll be putting it in front of the unique function, then I'll close the bracket. Right, once I do that, it is well sorted. Right, so now let me remove the name I included in the unique column. So I included tile. Once I delete that, right, automatically it gets deleted from my column. So that's why I try load the unique function. It gives me an automatic update on on any of the data sets I'm using. So right now we also need to now put our drop down table, our drop down list rather. So now to do that, I'll go to the data tab, click on this command, then select the drop down arrow, select data validation, then select list. So where's the source of my data? The source of my data is coming from this unique column because I don't want unique identifiers for each salesperson, right? So I select this up arrow, then select all, then okay. So automatically I get my drop down for each salesperson. But now I'm not getting the product I want, right? So we need to make use of a formula called the filter formula. The filter formula will help us filter the product for each salesperson. So this is how it works. Equals to filter, right? So the array is talking about the information or the data I want to get back. So in this situation, I want to get the product for each salesperson. So our information, our data is found in column B, right? So I select column B. Like I said, I want an automatic update, so I select it to the very end, right? Let's not forget to fix that. To fix that, click on F4 on your keyboard, right? Then the next one is include. So the include is talking about what are we going to use to identify the product for each salesperson. So let's just take it one step at a time. So the include sorry, so the include will be making use of the column A data, right? So let's select that, right? I'll select it to the very end, right? I'll explain it. Let's just watch how the formula works. F4, right? Then equals to praise. So let me now explain how this formula works. Right, let's not forget to fix that also. So how this works is the same. Get me the product if praise, which is E2, is in this column A. Get me the product if praise, that is the drop down E2, is in column A to column 10 million plus, right? So that's what the formula is saying. So if I do that and I close my bracket, I get the information I want. Let me explain it one more time. Let me select for the manual, right? Go back to the formula. Get me column B2 to column 10 million plus. That is, give me the product. If manual, which is in E2, is in column A to 10 million plus, is in this column, which is the salesperson column, get me all the product for him. Then if I select them for him and for Noah, same thing applies. Get me the product if E2, that is Noah, is in this salesperson. That's what it's saying. So now one final thing. If I click on this 0 drop down, I get 0 0 0 0. Now this doesn't make my data set very neat, right? Doesn't make me professional anymore, even though I'm trying to automate something very simple, something simple, right? So what I'm making a little tweak in my formula, right? So I'll be adding the if function, right? So if this E2, right? Let's not forget to fix that. If E2 is equals to 0, that is, if you select 0 in this drop down, give me blank. Otherwise, let the formula run, right? So close the bracket, and that's it. As you can see, if we select 0, we get nothing. But once we select any of those names, we get the information we need. So that's how we make use of the filter function to get the information we want. I'll see you in my next tutorial. Have a nice weekend.